Hello, I'm Jen, and I'm going to quickly show those with an Indigo Unis Pro account, or a standard Indigo Unis account with the Personal Statement Builder add-on, how to set up a template statement structure on the Personal Statement Builder. To start with, log into your Indigo Unis account and click on this Personal Statement Builder tile. Next, head over to the Statement Structures tab. As you can see, there are already several set up on this account. However, yours will have two preloaded, one freeform structure and the Indigo structure, which is our recommended one. To create your own, simply click this button here and fill in the details of your new template. Give your structure a name and explain a bit about it so that other staff members can differentiate it from the other structures when they're assigning it to their students. You can also decide whether to share your structure with other schools or retain it for your students only. You'll need to create several different parts and assign a character limit. For example, you may call the first part why you want to study this course, and then include a few prompts in different sections for your students. Then scroll below and assign a character limit to that part. Add another part here and give your students more guidance on what they should write in the second paragraph of their personal statement. You can reduce the number of prompts or add more where necessary for each individual part. Once you have as many parts as you need and it adds up to the total character limit, you can preview the structure here and confirm and create it here. Then your structure is complete. You can find out how to assign your students to this structure and set them up in another one of our videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions at all about the Personal Statement Builder, or features of Indigo that you want us to talk about in other videos, please leave a comment below or email us at hello@indigo.careers. And don't forget to follow Trotman Indigo on social media to get updates about what we're doing, and subscribe to our channel to find all of our help videos in the future.